Christmas is here, and what's a gathering without Filipino macaroni or fruit salad? Incidentally, there's a party at the office. Ibibida ko ang pagkain Pinoy, samahan niyo ako. Next to this Graham cake or tarta de Maria of Argentina is macaroni fruit salad of the Philippines. Seriously, it's every child's favorite, and it's easy to make. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romulo at his small kitchen. Warm greetings, it's about Christmas and it's time to hit the malls, the supermarkets and buy your needs for the big Noche Buena. Don't wait for the Christmas rush to begin now. So I'm beginning as well. I'm preparing for Christmas now. I remember my nana at this time of the year, she would be prepared. She would have collected her buko and her malagkit for her suman latik classic. Today I'll be cooking the favorite, especially of the kids. Kids won't touch the sandwich or the puto or the ham. They would touch only the fruit or macaroni salad. And that's what we're making today. I'm showing the ingredients. We need 2 cups of elbow macaroni, fruit cocktail, the big can, cheese, and red and green nata de coco, condensed milk, and all-purpose cream. And don't forget, mayonnaise. We almost forgot. The ingredients are simple and no culinary skill is needed. Just mix and that will be it. Let's start with our spaghetti. Just follow the instructions in the packaging. This requires 7 to 12 minutes, so I'll do that. I think you would agree with me that in most piezas or events or parties or noche buenas, the children would not touch the other preparations. They would eat only the salads, the fruit or the macaroni salad. So, and fruit salad obviously is more expensive. So use the pasta as an extender. Cook the macaroni salad instead. Tip from Romulo. If you need to feed more than 20, it's better to prepare macaroni and it's more filling. Our macaroni is cooked, so drain it and cool it. I realized I used this red casserole. It was not big enough for this volume, so I had to transfer it to this aluminum. Let's start with our simple task of mixing the ingredients. I don't have a big mixing bowl, so I'm using the mixing bowl of the machine. The fruits. Look at these colors. Isn't it Christmassy? Christmassy. Let's add this condensed milk. The only dairy product, I think, in this recipe. Of course, the cheese, don't forget. The cheese is also a dairy product. I don't know if this all-purpose cream is dairy-based. If you're watching in the Philippines or in America, you should be used to the Nestle brand. This is a Turkish brand. My mayonnaise is not enough. I had to go to the store for a new jar. Yeah, I have it. And Christmas tree. And the mayonnaise that we were able to get from the store. By the way, the proportion, the amount of the ingredients you can find at the or in the description box below. And at our website www.channel1.com. And we'll just mix this and we have macaroni salad. How easy can this be? How do you find my tree? I still don't know if that's the perfect place for that. I plan to plant it later in the garden. I have to do this gently. Brisk mixing doesn't look good on camera. Really, I don't know why. Mix with finesse. Apologies for the disorderly kitchen. I tend to multitask, and this is the result. Let's put the salad into this decent size containers and put them in the refrigerator. Close up on my... Our macaroni salad, Filipino style, perfect for Christmas, for parties, for any event, or for no event at all. Easy to make. Join me again next time as we bring you more of the recipes from the homeland. And if you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to share. Ibida natin ang ating pagkain sa buong mundo. Until next time, your Kuya and Uncle here in Ramilo. If you're watching this during Christmas, Merry Christmas. On behalf of my cameraman today, Ricardo of Suriname, Merry Christmas again, one and all.